Hey beauty. Hey beauties, it is your girl Jessica Nicola. As you guys can see, I got hair right now, okay? I am long and luxurious right now, okay? I got the old Jessica Nicole popping right now, okay? So today I will be reviewing Nadula hair, and this is supposedly 100% virgin hair. They have a website which I will be linking down below in the description bar, along with all their social medias and things of that nature. Again, I will be reviewing this hair. This is just a install review or initial review on the hair as far as what I feel about the hair so far. Right now I have an 18-inch lace closure, a 20-inch bundle along with two 20-inch bundles, and I have in Brazilian straight hair. So you know, I washed the hair and everything, and of course I'm going to let you guys know how the hair was inside this video. Oh look, then they have everything here: their Facebook Messenger, their Instagram, and their YouTube channel. So if you guys want to see how I feel about this hair, which is so popping right now, just stay tuned. Like, comment, share, subscribe, follow me on all social medias. Again, I will leave the link for Nadula hair along with their YouTube and everything else. There's all their social medias in the description bar down below. Like, comment, share, subscribe, follow me on all social medias, and enjoy. Okay guys, I know I look crazy right now. Alright, it is wash day for me, and I feel like, why not do this review on wash day? You guys do not want to see what's underneath this hat. I am doing a review on some hair. As you guys know from the intro, it will be on Nadula hair. So I have two 22-inch bundles and a 20-inch bundle of, I think it's Brazilian straight. I will say though, I can smell the hair through the bag. It does not have a corn chip smell or anything like that. It just smells like burnt hair, like processed hair. But feeling the hair, it is super soft. It is a natural color, like a 1B or like a 2. But I'm gonna leave it in its natural state. I didn't want to wash the hair today when I'm doing the install, but smelling it, I might want to wash it. Alright. So what I'm gonna do is, guys, I'm gonna go and make a wig, because clearly your girl cannot get a sew-in. Old Jessica is back, people. Hey guys, it's the next day, and I washed the wig, and well, I washed the hair, made the wig, and everything of that nature. So meet Nicole. So the wig is on, and I'm not used to this. Even though it's only been a year since I've worn hair, it feels so weird to me. So I think I'm just gonna straighten it, because I kind of just wanted like the whole straight thing going. Alright, so before I get into the other side of the hair to go flat iron, because I'm going to flat iron it off camera, this hair is actually beautiful. This is the first time I got straight hair from a company that it actually acts like straight hair instead of, you know, doing whatever it wants to do. Now, I'm going to have to give it some time and see what it does within the time, but as of right now, I love the hair. But I'll be right back, and let's see if I want to keep this hair straight. Okay guys, so this is the finished result of me straightening the hair, and just show you all. I am definitely feeling it. The hair is actually nicer than I thought it would be. It's actually thicker than I thought it would be, because I was very nervous about the 3 bundles and a closure, being that it did not feel as thick as I needed it to be. So I'm gonna leave it like this, and of course I'm gonna give you guys an update on the hair, because I can't just leave y'all high and dry. But as far as shedding, I had a minimal to no shedding. I had a little bit of shedding here and there, but that's because of me. I was tugging on the hair a lot when I was sewing, because I was trying to quickly sew the hair and get everything done. So this hair, like, It feels so good. You guys don't understand. I was blown away by how good the hair was because I actually thought that it wasn't gonna be good hair when I was getting it. So far so good. I'm gonna give it some months, maybe a month, maybe two, and see how this goes. I'm gonna try to wear it for the whole month, but you guys know I love my short hair, so let's see how that goes. I'm gonna put it to the Jessica test where I throw my wig to the side and just throw it on. I need to get my life. Like, it is literally everything. Like, straightening it with no product on it, I was like, okay. That is it for my install review. If you have any questions, of course, you guys can ask me in the comments down below. I need to stop staring at this. You guys can ask me in the comments down below. I will curl this hair. I will do everything to it so you guys know what actually happens with this hair. But this is everything, okay, guys? Everything. This is basically it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this install review on Nadula hair. Like I always tell you guys, like, comment, share, subscribe. Of course, like I always tell you, subscribe and hit the notification button. I mean, I'm here. You might as well be here with me. I mean, you ain't doing nothing. I mean, you're probably working, but you know what I mean. All right. Follow me on all social medias. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video.